Now I'm going to let that sit for a little bit, and then I'll finish tapping her off. I'm Mike Wende with Wende Plumbing. This is part 2 of pouring a joint. Right now I'm going to tap, clean up the edges, make sure it looks real nice and pretty for the finish. And it also helps to secure the pipe. First I tap around the interior, get that inner edge packed in real nice. Then I'll move the exterior of the joint, try to pop all that in there real nice. There she goes. As you can see, just kind of packing it in around the edge. Come back, clean up a little if you have to. And there she is, nice and clean, nice and sturdy. Alright, and there you go, folks. Pouring a lead joint, the base of the stack, making a nice clean connection from plastic PVC pipe to cast iron. Don't forget to call Wende Plumbing, 314-479-1314. Thank you.